Are they not coming out at the same time? Do I need to move over? Might we a bit?
You might want to move over a bit.
What have I done? Ow! I feel for you.
Back on the Coastguard HQ.
Oh yes, because we just hit ourselves
My boat's not turning.
much. Why is your boat not turning? Oh my god, how am I going to get past these people because they're just not moving? Look.
Just push past them.
Oh no!
Ah! We're going to crash!
Accident!
I knew we were going to crash! It's alright.
That's a good push though.
Hopefully, yeah, we'll just push you out the way. There we go. See, you needed that.
This one is too slow, I don't know why.
It's really slow, isn't it? Now I've
No, good.
Now I've hit the side because I am trying to manoeuvre away. Mine's alright. You could have got that one.
There's too many fatties in the mind, that's why.
Why are they kind of turning around? You're not allowed to do that, are you?
I suppose we haven't anyone on the speakers yet.
What do you say?
Don't climb the fences.
Which side would you like to go, left or right?
Don't mind.
Should we go right today?
Right.
Did you have it near his bum?
Just as a reminder to everyone on the ride, make sure you remain seated throughout the ride, do not stand up.
We're giving you a head start. Why are you following us? I'm giving you a head start. I don't speak Russian. Is that a type of vodka?
What's going on? Has anyone found the missing animals?
Yeah, Chief. Just having a nice time.
I'm going to just fuck everyone up. I'm going to go over here now.
Keep your eyes on the road, we're going to crash.
I'm going. It's fine. I'm just mixing it up a little bit, you know.
Chief, this is Tiger 1 reporting in. Everything is under control.
Sounds like the swarm. Do you know there's that family? They're still coming around.
Now, please remain seated until our team asks you to leave your boat.
Because they're both very fat, unfortunately.
There was two fat people and a small child in the middle. Did you see the child?
Yeah. He looked like he was squashed.
He's quite scared for his safety.
I had to get some shots around the ride, by the way.
I'm just going to ignore it. What? What?
Going on the right. Actually, they've released on the left now, so it doesn't matter where we go in.
Oh my god, look. What? Callum. She says, I'm so distracted by the fact that they couldn't drive their boat. Here they come. I'm going to hit them. I'm actually going to hit them.
No.